everyone, I wanted to show you the jewel brush pens that I have in my collection. These are really fun to use on both black and white paper. So new to my line is the black pad that is super smooth, great for metallic brush pens, and it pulls out. It's a gummed pad, it's not perforated, so it pulls out nice and easily. Remember, when you're working with your paper pads and any brush pen, you want to take your paper out of the pad so you're not dealing with the edge, writing on the edge and bumping your hand off of the pad when you're writing. And of course, the blank white paper is in this pad of Kelly Crate's practice paper, and it is super smooth, so you can use it for your projects. A nice bright white color. So let's take a look at the colors inside of this. The jewel brush tip pens are very juicy. They're considered a large brush pen. Quite a soft tip. So let's take a look at how they work on both the black and white paper, and I will just move my paper over here so it's ready to go, and then I will zoom in and you can see how they write. Let's start out with the ruby. The ruby is a beautiful pinky red color. I'd say it's more pink than red. I had a lot of fun picking these names, so, oops, my paper's moving up. And I'll just draw the alphabet with them. There is the A on the black and the A on the white. You can see that they bend really easily, so you do want to watch your pressure and your transitions. Let's try the purple. Is called Amethyst. Purple's one of my favorites. It's hard to pick a favorite actually with these brush pens because they're all so pretty. And then we have, let's do the Sapphire is the blue color. And it is, again, really, the shine is gorgeous. All of these jewel pens have kind of a two-tone effect when they dry. So you can see the purple, the amethyst, and the silver tone underneath. Here is, there's two greens. This one is emerald. Ooh, look at this one. I do love the emerald as well. And the emerald on the white. Then we have Jade. Jade is actually my older daughter's middle name. And that is kind of more of a bluey green. The three metallics are, the three kind of gold colors are bronze, gold, and silver. Let me just zoom out a bit so this fits on screen. I'll just move my papers over a little so we can get all the letters in this on the screen. And the other thing you want to remember with the jewel brush pens is there is a drying time. So your drying time is longer, they stay wet. You want to be careful in terms of that kind of application so that you don't smudge them. So some people like to practice with them in their tracing books, but to be honest, I don't really recommend that. This is the gold because the tracing paper will even slow down the drying time even more. I'm squishing my G in there. So this is the gold and the silver. Sorry, gold and bronze coming up. So on the tracing paper, it will take longer to dry. And so you want to be quite careful about that not smudging because your hand might go over it and smudge it. So just be careful about that. And here is that luscious bronze. There you go. So that is the whole alphabet. Sorry, that's not the whole alphabet. This is a demo of the alphabet with the jewel brush pens. I hope you pick them up and like them and have some fun with them too. Thanks for watching.